Adding a physical gift card to an Apple Wallet is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Yes, you can add a gift card to Apple Wallet. Unfortunately, many retailers are not forthcoming about whether their gift cards are Apple Wallet eligible, so we cannot say for certain that every gift card retailer is compatible with Apple Wallet. While you can check Apple's list of wallet-eligible applications to see the major gift card retailers that support this functionality, just know that this isn't a complete list of all compatible retailers. For example, we were able to add a TJ Maxx gift card to Apple Wallet, which is not a listed retailer here. To add a gift card to Apple Wallet, you can use two different approaches. Now navigate to the page where you can check the gift card balance. Input your gift card number and PIN. From there, along with the gift card balance, you may also see the black Add to Apple Wallet badge. Tapping this will let you link your gift card directly with Apple Wallet. Navigate to the settings where you can add a gift card to the app. Now input your gift card number and PIN. From there, along with the card balance and transaction details, you may also see the black Add to Apple Wallet badge. Tapping this will let you link your gift card directly with Apple Wallet.